This customer's sink was draining slowly, which usually means there's a clog. This is especially true when the sink is attached to a garbage disposal. The first thing we need to do is allow the extra water to drain from the drain pipe under the sink. You can see just how dirty the water was. Now he needs to remove the drain line so he's able to get access to the drain. After he does this, we use an auger, also known as a drain snake, to clear the line. Unfortunately for this customer, he had just recently bought this home, so he was unaware of what could be in the drain. Once he pulls the auger out, he notices some grease buildup. It doesn't look like much, but even that small amount can clog a drain. To prevent clogs in the future, be careful what you put down your drain. Grease is extremely bad for your plumbing, even if it's only a small amount. He puts everything back together so he can test how the sink will drain. He uses a small plunger to cover the drain and lets the sink fill up with water. This is the ultimate test to see how the sink will drain. After he fills it up a good amount, he removes the plunger so the water can drain. You can see that the sink is now draining as it should. He also recommends using Dawn dish soap and hot water to clean out your drain. Dawn does a great job of removing grease buildup. Doing this will help keep your sink and garbage disposal free of clogs. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.